pick it up.
Pick it up? What, the weight? Oh God! Heavier than those things.
How it goes a damn sight faster than them things.
It's good.
What's top speed on them?
I don't know. We did say it's just under 70. You've got to have a certain type of ground. Well, this ground, it's hard with loose stuff on the top. So
Yeah, for the grip, like.
You just basically throwing the spin.
And this is the one with a gyro in it,
Yeah,
did you say?
it's in the back
Oh, it's in the back wheel. So
back wheel,
the back wheel is a gyro.
No.
That's the gyro spooling up, isn't it?
Yeah.
That I can hear.
In the back wheel.
It's the same gyro you hear when you turn on a light aircraft, because they use a gyro for the artificial horizon.
Yeah.
That sounds scary already. It sounds like a jet.
Good, isn't it, how it winds
It's
up?
good. It's good.
It's like a turbine going.
Let me show you. It works now. Towards his left, away is his right. Throttle's on. Brake is just push it forward. But reverse is also push forward from brake.
What?
It's got reverse gear on it, but you never use it. So it's just
Wait, that's forward.
yeah.
That's left.
brake.
That's what's left and right. Oh.
I told you it's reverse steering. Don't
Ignore it.
ignore it. Just say right, left, left.
Okay.
Think a little bit ahead.
It's a drone.
Think a little bit ahead as you turn.
Think a little bit ahead. I'm not sure I'm capable of doing that. How much are these? Just so that I can notify my accountant.
Your insurance company.
Yeah.
His head, if you break it, I can't.
How much throttle do you give it?
One.
Oh, what am I doing?
No problem.
Oh, I see it's got little skids on it.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Right, where'd you get these from then? Did you build them yourself?
No, you come fully assembled. But they come with a...
Tell you, it's hard to get on the straight, isn't it? With
Yeah, you say you've got to think ahead of your turns as well.
Ah, yeah, man.
Well, if you can do power, you can just do big long arc turn.
Wouldn't it knock over? Oh, a bit of sideways action. Oh, a bit of tree action.
Yes, and it does power wheelies as well.
This is awesome.
I'll give you some nuts and go for a long one.
Oh,
Got 250 metres distance on it.
oh, there's a lot of trees in his way.
What bother, just go through it.
Oh, are you sure about that? Oh, I just threaded the needle. It's really strange that the wheel turns in the opposite direction, isn't it?
Opposite lock steering.
Come on.
You get used to it.
So how do you do a wheelie? Do you have to be going pretty slow?
It's you've got to catch it this right time.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, I'm never going to be catching this at the right time.
Oh, I say I got it going. It just power wheelies in the end.
I think he's hooked, Andy.
Yeah.
I think he's hooked.
Now you're going to tell me they're about 900 quid, aren't you?
3.5.
Three.
I paid 3.5 for it.
3.5 grand.
£300.
Oh my gosh! I was going to say you can have it back if it costs that much.
No, 300 quid. Be brilliant fun.
This is loads of fun.
I bet you can get them cheaper now, can't
Oh, you can now, yeah.
Let's see if I can get in like a close sort of burnout. Oh, but through the
You filming
trees.
it?
Yeah, I got a camera on my head. Yeah. Oh, I found like the only
Bit of stone.
bit of stone. Yeah, once it's got that
really?
momentum to turn. Oh no!
What's that back tyre? What's it got? It hasn't got foam in it, has it?
I don't know.
Because it doesn't seem to shred your tyre, does it?
No.
I like how you're saying, the way Andy's driving this, it doesn't seem to be shredding like my one does. It's such a fine line to get it, just like riding like a, just riding like a normal bike.
That's Steve, isn't it?
Yeah.
Is it cone? Oh, not because it's cone, it's only that.
Trying to obey the, what do they call it?
Rules of the road.
Yeah, exactly.
You can't with that. You just can't do it.
Mick doesn't obey the rules
Of the road.
Never has.
Why
never
is it?
will.
Why is he called Mick? Is there a?
There is a backstory to
There's a
it.
backstory.
I work with a chap, his name is Mick, and Mick's only this tall.
That's all I need to know.
So I keep saying, when I go to Mick, I've lost your head again.
Lost
He knows
your
all
head.
about it. He knows all about it.
I might need to owe you a battery, I reckon. Trying to,
Can you break?
trying to get a donut in us like a circle.
Oh,
But
that's simple. Stop.
is that it?
Stop. No, just stop.
I don't know what you mean.
Like that is what I'm trying to do.
Yeah, but if you stop, just put it in reverse. Just push it forward now.
I think the battery's gone, you know.
Yeah. Well, that's a reverse donut.
Ah, let's see if we can get it up right, but I think the battery's had it. Yeah. Ah, thank you so much. Right,
Better than you thought.
I'll be buying one then. There'll be 2 of these up next week.